the crux of that conversation revolves around the financial issues in their divorce. What are the issues? Whether it's equitable distribution, alimony, the dissolution of a closely held business. There are all of these complex financial issues that need to be dealt with as part of a divorce. The distribution of their assets, the sale of the marital home, whether or not somebody is entitled to alimony, whether or not somebody will be paying alimony, if there's a family business, whether that needs to be dissolved, how they're going to handle the distribution of these particular assets, and whether there's debt in the case. So these are some of the issues that we deal with when it comes to the financial piece of a divorce. You need to go through the process. There needs to be financial disclosure. We need to fill out what's called a case information statement. There needs to be potentially experts involved to do a forensic evaluation. And you need to get all of that information so that you know how to answer the questions for your client so that they feel confident in making the decisions that they need to make financially moving forward in their life. That is a particular pain point for clients. A lot of clients that come to see us are insecure about their financial future, and we want to make sure that when they are making decisions, they are armed with all of the information they need in order to make the best decision for them moving forward. We give them guidance, we give them advice within the confines of the law, but ultimately a client is given the choice on how they want to proceed. I may say to a client, you're entitled to 50% of this particular asset. They may decide that 50% of that particular asset isn't as valuable to them as 50% of another asset. So there may be a trade-off in that particular case that works better for the client. And those are all things that we go through when we talk and we set the goals and we decide, how they want to move forward. I want clients to feel secure that I'm giving them the best advice that I can. Ultimately, the choice is theirs on how they proceed, but I am sure to give them what I think is a good roadmap and arm them with the information that they need moving forward.